The front facade combines luxury and sophistication through bold vertical lines, floating roof elements, oversized entrance features, and premium materials. Large windows reflect the surrounding landscape, while carefully designed landscaping creates an elegant approach toward this architectural masterpiece. The sports car garage feels more like an elite automotive gallery than a parking space. Premium lighting, polished floors, and expansive layouts provide room for luxury supercars. This luxurious billiard room blends entertainment with elegance through premium finishes, ambient lighting, designer seating, and a professional quality pool table. The family living area combines oversized seating, double-height ceilings, warm textures, and panoramic outdoor connections. Natural light fills the room, while modern furniture arrangements create a welcoming environment that balances luxury with comfort and everyday functionality. This modern kitchen showcases marble surfaces, premium appliances, custom cabinetry, and expansive islands designed for entertaining. Every detail emphasizes luxury while maintaining a clean, minimalist appearance that perfectly complements the mansion's contemporary architecture. The dining area creates an unforgettable atmosphere with designer lighting fixtures, premium materials, and expansive glass walls. This sophisticated setting allows guests to enjoy luxurious meals while surrounded by elegant architecture and breathtaking outdoor scenery. The master bedroom transforms luxury into personal comfort through oversized layouts, premium furnishings, soft lighting, and private outdoor access. The master bathroom delivers a wellness experience through luxury stone finishes, freestanding bathtubs, oversized showers, and premium fixtures that resort. This luxurious dressing room features custom wardrobes, illuminated displays, elegant mirrors, and organized storage systems. Designed like a high-end fashion boutique. The private workroom creates the ideal professional environment through modern furniture, elegant materials, and peaceful surroundings. Sophisticated architecture and natural lighting transform daily productivity into an inspiring luxury experience within the home. Inside the cinema room, oversized seating, premium sound systems, acoustic design, and dramatic lighting create an immersive entertainment experience. This private theater turns movie nights into unforgettable luxury events for family and guests. The mini wine room showcases premium collections through climate-controlled storage, elegant shelving, and ambient lighting. This intimate luxury corner adds sophistication while creating the perfect atmosphere for entertaining and relaxing evenings. The swimming pool area transforms outdoor living into a luxury resort experience. Surrounded by premium landscaping, spacious lounge zones, and modern architecture. This extraordinary modern mansion represents more than luxury. It defines prestige, exclusivity, and architectural excellence. Every space, from entertainment zones to private retreats, combines world-class design with exceptional comfort, creating a jaw-dropping property that truly stands above everything around it.